Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets step by step. This feature helps you quickly remove repeated data and keep your spreadsheet clean and organized. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet that contains duplicate data. Now, select the range of cells where you want to remove duplicate entries. Make sure all the relevant rows and columns are included in your selection. Next, click the Data menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Data Cleanup and then click Remove Duplicates. A small window will appear showing the selected data range. If your first row contains column headers, make sure the Data has Header Row option is checked. Then, choose the columns you want Google Sheets to check for duplicate values. Now click the Remove Duplicates button. Google Sheets will scan the selected data, remove any duplicate entries, and display a message showing how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. Click OK to close the message and return to your spreadsheet. That's it. You have successfully removed duplicate data in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.